patio surface heaving because of frost can totally mess up your outdoor space, but you can stop it by insulating the base right when you're putting it in. So like when you're setting up a patio, the biggest thing is making sure the base is insulated well against frost. You want to dig down deep enough to get below the frost line, because if you don't, the ground freezing and thawing will push your patio up and crack it. Use materials that help stop cold from sneaking up, like foam boards or special insulating layers under the base. Also, make sure your drainage is on point so water doesn't hang around and freeze, which makes the problem worse. Don't just slap down gravel, compact it tight so there's no air pockets for frost to grab onto. If you're laying concrete or pavers, give yourself enough room around the edges to let things expand without cracking. And always check the local frost depth before you start digging so you know exactly how deep you gotta go. Trust me, taking these steps saves a ton of headache and money later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with patio frost heaving is not digging deep enough below the frost line, which lets freeze-thaw cycles push up the surface. Fix this by researching your local frost depth and going deeper than that. Another common slip-up is skipping proper insulation layers under the patio base, so cold air gets through. Adding rigid foam insulation or similar helps keep the ground temperature stable. Lastly, poor drainage can trap water under the patio, which freezes and causes heaving. To avoid this, make sure to grade your patio so water runs off and use gravel or drainage pipes to keep water moving away. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like frost heaving right from the start. Contractors also get more work opportunities by joining the platform, making it easier for everyone to find the right help for their project.